A lady commented on my post. She's having issues ventilating in a straight line. As you can see, she sent me this video that she's having issue ventilating a straight line. So I'm going to show you how to ventilate in a straight line. If you are having the same issue, this video is for you. Okay, now if you want to get the straight line, watch me closely. When you ventilate the first one, you are going to ventilate the line, the tiny line that is connected to the hole beside the one you ventilated, just like I'm showing you now. That's where you are going to ventilate. You see that one I'm pointing at? Let's start again. Ventilate. Now you see the tiny line connecting to the hole beside the one you ventilated. Yes, that one, that is where you are going to ventilate next. You can see it's forming a straight line already. Now the tiny hole beside the one you already ventilated, as I'm pointing with my needle, ventilate that one. Hope you can see. Now ventilate. Yes, that's it. So doing it this way, you are going to be forming a straight line. While ventilating, your lines are going to be straight, no mistake, very neat. So continue following the same process until you are perfect. When you ventilate, make sure to be picking two strands. That way your knots are going to look more natural. You can see it's straight, unlike hers was not straight. Okay, so let's try it again. So you follow up. Now you count one line, then ventilate the other one. Here we are jumping only one hole. That's it. You ventilate the line connected to the hole you just ventilated, just like I'm showing you now. Okay, watch closely. You are definitely going to understand what I mean. That's where you are going to ventilate. Ventilate, not your hair. If you are having any issue with hair ventilations, press the red subscribe button. Follow up on my ventilation tutorial. You are definitely going to learn how to ventilate. If you have any question at all, drop it in the comment section. If you have any video requests, drop it in the comment section. Anything you want to communicate with me, drop it in the comment section, please. No inbox, okay? Just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to reply. Okay, so you can see here, that is how to create a straight line while ventilating so that your ventilation can look more neater. I made other ventilation videos. After watching this video, go and check it out. Okay, go and check it out. So what I'm just doing here, I'm just showing you guys few more so that you will master it. Okay, ventilate you can see while ventilating, make sure you are jumping one line depending on what you want. Okay, you can see, I'm just showing you, make sure you are jumping a whole line. There is nothing there. When ventilating, you don't ventilate everything, you leave lines. That's why it's very important to watch my videos. I made a video on hair ventilation spacing and pattern. Make sure to go and watch it. I'll put the link in the description box so that it will be easy for you guys to know. Okay, I'm ventilating this. You can see how straight it looks. So when you master what I just taught you now, this is how your ventilation is going to look. Neat, straight. No, it's not going to look diagonal, or what would I even say? It's not going to look rough just like her own. And make sure you are picking two strands. Okay, to learn more about hair ventilation, press the red subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up so that beginners just like you can know about it. So this is still part of the video she sent to me. This is how her ventilation looks, and I'm trying to just guide her on what to do. If you're having same issue, drop a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.
Now this is it. I don't know if I'm getting it right.